Police officer don't go destroy person passport. I know they talk of passport picture. International passport where person they use they travel. They don't go destroy am because of say waiting. They see small change inside this man wallet. They come ask the man say, "Oga, abeg settle us small." Now there this man no gree. Before we go see police don't start to dey misbehave. On I sure say this uniform they never cause them on top. Because the way where police they behave, I know they even understand. My people abeg, make now follow me watch.
Look at what Nigeria police did to my international passports just because they saw little funds in my pockets. On a clip, their attention don't come up. They ask me, say where they work. I want to hear my passport. I not agree for them. I hold their tight. Give me my passport, Oga. Top of Otokutu Bridge. They know who they check whether I carry any contraband stuff again and money there.
I sure say na this black uniform where they wear something they inside. Because how person you go ask person for money, person say you no get. You go come dey vex. Say you want the para, you want the tear person passport. Passport wey be say person go spend money enter immigration office, wasting time and energy go do. Now then I come decide say na one tear because of how much? 65k, ordinary 65k wey na inside this person wallet. And they say for this thing where they happen for Delta State or Otokutu Bridge, say now so this thing they always happen on irregular. People they complain, say those police people where they there, in fact their own are just money. They know they there to protect anybody. Their own, I mean they collect money, took for pocket. You offend, you know. In fact, they need even check where you carry anything inside your bag. If you like carry cocaine, in fact you go pass freely. Their own are just settle the minute they go. Now so they're teaching and now work. I beg, who want they report them this police to? Police were supposed go report to, now them they misbehave. A whole international passport. Now I just won't even tear and finish. Say because of settlement. In fact, the IG of police, all these police people, bless say, on are supposed to come them from street small. May they go enter office, they work. That one even if they sabi even press laptop. I be able sabi right. Maybe if they enter office small, the mindset of begging, it go come out for their mind. They go know as they did that place, now business now they do. Now to work now they did it, no be to they beg for money. Because their own don't they too much. Police go there, you know go here say, police do this thing the way good. Their own are bribery and corruption. With those their shoe we don't beg go one side. What's they worry than these police people? On a matter on the tire people. Things wey be say go legit, wey they go call na no go come outside for down. The moment things wey be say na no go see gain. Wey be say the thing no go even make sense. Na that one na power go dey rise on top. It best make they just comot than these people for road. Because their begging strategy is only too much. The way they go even squeeze and hide this money inside the pocket, you go think say they even learn this one self for field. You go they wonder say maybe they don't even practice how to the thief from that field before they come enter road. All this kind of thing, it don't tire people. People don't they complain, especially for that Delta State. So when they find something to do about those police people. My people, I hear this one. I want to make a bring and come inside, make na service na here. Here waiting they happen. Make na don't forget to comment, like, and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video.